Hello everybody! Today we will be making a habitat for the Acrocanthosaurus. The Acrocanthosaurus is a member of the Acrocanthosaurus family. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It happens to live in the Texas floodplains of America. Or, yeah, I guess that was implied. It is almost 110 million years old, and it can get to about 15,000 pounds. 15,000 pounds. That is crazy. Now today's build was actually surprisingly hard. I really just couldn't figure out how to make the trees look natural and stuff. It was really hard to find the trees I liked to match the wetlands vibe. Eventually I'd find them, but it's incredibly hard to match exact trees to exact things when those biomes don't even exist in the game. Eventually I found out that the temperate trees look very good in them. However, I'll use a bunch of other trees in build as well. As you can see, there is a little bit of land on there. I'm pretty sure I got rid of that later. I can't really remember. But for right now, it was there to help my ranger team get in there if they needed to, because I didn't know actually if that would affect them at all, like water affecting them at all, trying to get in there. Who knows? We'll find out later when I have to check on the Acrocanthosaurus. However, as you'll see, I'm making some pretty good progress right now. I mean, I got some trees down, I got the water on the floor. I have to figure out some of the smaller trees to really add the life into there, to really show the different species that are thriving. And it's going to be a little hard, but everything's hard once you try it. I need a drink. As you can see, I started playing around with even smaller plants, but I started to realize that didn't really affect the natural look of it. Smaller plants wouldn't really help at all. Here you can also see I tried to play around with some land maybe, but I don't know why. Something about the land it's too alive, I guess you could say. It's just weird. As you can see, I finally figured out that the perfect way to actually add natural trees and plant formations is using the ginkgo fruit, or ginkgo tree. Apparently it's supposed to do for tall fruit and tall leaf, supposed to help with that. Which I don't need, because I turned off Don't Starve and Don't Dehydrate and everything, just so that it would be easier to recreate the natural habitat without having to worry about those constraints. Then I proceeded to add some rocks into it to really just give the finishing touches. And you know what? I think I did pretty good. All in all, this was a lot harder than the last one for the Allosaurus because of how it's just pretty much desert. There wasn't much to actually build. But, you know what? I'm fine with that. A challenge is good to really help me figure out how to get better at these habitat building. I'm sure I will get better by the end of the series, but who knows? Now I have to pick out the perfect egg, which there's only one of them. And bam! Look at that! Our Acrocanthosaurus habitat complete.